Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about upgrading, or rather downgrading, a RSLogix 5000 project to some previous version. You can find this information on Rockwell's Tech Connect support website. If you don't have access to that, it's exactly why I did this video for you. So what we're going to be doing is method 1, where we do an export of your project and then save it as a L5K file. And then we will import it back into your RSLogix 5000 project after we make the edits to it in a text notepad. So let's just jump into that. Oh, by the way, towards the end, I will save a whole list of conversions because there is 2 areas you'll have to change. One is the EI ver as well as the major revs inside the notepad. So once we get the notepad exported, we make these edits. There's about 3 locations, as noted right here, for the EI ver, major rev for the controller, and then local module major revs. Okay, so let's just look at that. So over here, we've got a project that is 33 because I've already converted it. But in the meantime, I'm going to go back. I'm going to open up the one that's actually set as a 35. Then we'll right click, go to properties, verify that, Rev 35. And this is where you would hopefully change it, is just be able to go to the Generals tab, click Change Controller, and have the drop-down option to change it to a previous version. But that's not how it works. You can upgrade, but you can't downgrade. So we have to go through this during the downgrade process. At this point, we just want to do a save as, and save as project to an L5K file. Call it by the same name. It's going to want to overwrite this because I've already done this once. Then we're going to want to open that file in Notepad. File, open. Change the text box to all files. Go to the project folder where I know it's located. There's our project. Here's our L5K file. You can see where it says 35 here. That's just a comment. So we're going to change it to 33. The ones that are important is the one for the major. We're going to go to 33. And then I'm going to do a find major. Find the other one for the local module. Change it to 33. So that's 3 locations we have to change it at. The last thing we have to change is this EI ver that we mentioned earlier. To change that, go back over here and look at the Tech Note page. Scroll down to the bottom. We're on 35, so that's why it's 2.26. We're going to go to 33, so we're going to change to 2.24. Then we're just going to save this file. Close Notepad. Go back to our project. We're going to say open. We're going to open that file that we just created. It's going to want us to name it. We're going to call it test. I've already done this once, so I'm going to replace that file. As soon as it's done, we will go back to Process Controller Properties. Right-click, Properties. You'll see that it says 33 for the rev, and if we go over to change controller, we can see that now we can upgrade it to 35. But it is currently software version 33.0. Say OK. OK that. And just to verify everything is correct in the file, we'll verify the project. No errors. So it is good to go. Last thing you'll need to do is to downgrade your controller, or if you've not installed firmware on the controller, you'll do that, and this project should work in that processor. Oh, and by the way, I didn't forget about you. We're going to have the notes that show the table at the end of this video.
Please like, comment, and share this video to help others. Also, let us know what you would like to see next in the comments.